Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for subscribing. To join the family, simply click that subscribe button. Also tap that bell to receive my notifications. Last week we made matoke, which turned out to be awesome. If you haven't seen that video, I got your back. Links will be in the description below. Anyway, happy new month you guys. And today we'll be making a simple potato soup that will keep you warm during this weather. To start us off, we'll need the following ingredients. Number 1. Peel your potatoes, wash them and cut into small sizes. Next, take a saucepan on medium heat. Add your oil. Then add chopped onions and let it fry. Give them about 5 minutes until they turn brownish. Then add your potatoes, half a teaspoon of salt, and add your water. Cover and let it simmer. Once the potatoes are cooked, blend until it's smooth. Then return it to a saucepan and let it reduce. Season with ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. Garnish with parsley and serve. Hold up, don't leave yet, show some love by hitting that thumbs up button. Drop a comment below and share with everyone you know. And now you can conquer that cold season like a boss. See you next Wednesday, same place, same time. I have to go eat my share. Bye!